Yes, I will.
Yeah, we have just been listening to Justice Quenda delivering a judgment on an application by the CCC, which was challenging the recall of its senators and members of parliament by Mr. Tshabangu. Mr. Tshabangu, as you are aware, is an imposter. He is a tortoise on a lamppost. He has been acting on a frolic of his own, recalling our members from both parliament and council. So we as a party challenged this in court. Today, the judge basically said, and I want to summarize this and simplify it. You had two approaches to the court. One, you issued a summons matter where you are challenging the authority of Mr. Tshabangu, and we did that on the 20th of October. And then subsequent to that, you had this application challenging the actual recalls that he did post that summons matter. His view and the opinion of the judge is that we should pursue the summons matter, because the summons matter in essence will resolve the issues that we have, whether or not Mr. Tshabangu has got the authority to recall members of the CCC from his parliament. The judge noted that it is difficult for the court to be able to resolve some of the issues on the papers in a court application. Some of the issues would need to be dealt with through a trial where evidence is adduced so that a final determination is made. It is on that basis that the judge has said this application in its present form must be dismissed. But what must be pursued is the summons matter, because it is actually a trial where we will ask Mr. Tshabangu to come to the dock and tell the whole of Zimbabwe how he became the interim Secretary General of the CCC and where he got the authority to recall elected members of the CCC.
When is this summons case coming up?
The process of that case have already started in terms of the various steps, and we'll be notifying you in due course. The pleas have been done, etc., and we will advise you of the various timings.
Just for clarification, this involves the second batch of recalls.
This application involves the second batch of applications, but the summons matter involves the issue of the authority of Mr. Tshabangu to act for and on behalf of the CCC.